Alright, so let's try to put in this sensor that I got into the Seneye, the one that comes in this container. Has numbers on the back, a code that you need to type in on your computer and stuff, and it tells you data manufactured, all this other stuff. It's pretty cool. So that's on there. So let's see, let's try to put this in and see how easy it is. So you're supposed to let it soak in the water for 48 hours in your salt water. Mine's been in there for probably 72 hours, maybe a little bit longer, because I was waiting for this to come to my house before I put it in, so I didn't know it was going to take that long, so that's the reason why. So I have a little tweezer that I can use to get it out. Now they said it only goes in one way. Oh, that's it. So it only goes in one way. So it only goes in this way. So they're right. You can only put it in one way, otherwise it won't fit. There we go. So it goes in just like that. So now I'm going to put this in the fish tank. Let's put this cap on. The only thing I don't like about the cap is it does not snap on. It comes off very easily. At least my cap does. Maybe your cap doesn't. But my cap flies right off. Like, I don't have to take... I'm not going to try and pull it off and keep messing with it because I don't want to break it. But you don't have to try anything to pull this off and the whole thing comes off. Mine comes off so easily. So I'm hoping yours isn't like that. And when you get yours, it's going to be a lot better than what mine is. So the plan is we're going to install this into the fish tank now. This is going to go like this, right? And then we're going to install it on the outside of the fish tank so we could see all the tabs and see when they light up and everything like that. So let's get this installed. Do 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 do. All right, let's see where we're gonna install this. I was aiming to install it on the left side right here. Alright, so it's installed now. This is what it looks like when it's installed. I guess with the glare you can't really see it, but get a good vision of what you can see. And then here, this is what you're going to see on the outside. I put it up until that black thing. I'm guessing that's the water level that they want you to put it at, so I already put it on there. And let's get this thing plugged in and see how this thing works. Alright, so I'm going to run mine up here, up into the ceiling right here, and then see, that's the wire running down into my computer. So I'm at 15 feet. If you're at 15 feet, it should work. If you're over 15 feet, I don't know if it's going to work, so I can't tell you that yours is going to work or not, but mine's 15 feet and it works fine. So, alright, just to let you know, I'm going to get this thing connected real quick. Ooh, I'm going to get this thing connected real quick. And then we'll come back and we'll see what we got. Because I still got to go on the computer and check out the program and everything. Alright? Alright, this is just a little video of my Seneye working. I have it in the tank. This is what you can expect to look at when you get yours working. I had trouble with mine in the beginning. I had to restart the computer twice, and then I plugged and unplugged right here, the USB that's going up into the ceiling right there, that goes to the Seneye. I unplugged that twice and then plugged it back in, and then it worked. And it didn't work right away after I did that. It still was like another 5 minutes after that. So it was weird. But eventually I got it working. So as you can see, I'm at 77. pH is very low. I don't have any fish in the tank right now. So I'm going to try to get my pH up using calc Walser. That's my plan, and I have that mixing. I already mixed it yesterday. I'm waiting 24 hours for it to mix, so I should have it mixed in about another hour or two. Have that done. So I have 29 days left on my slide to monitor pH and ammonia. Otherwise, it'll just do temperature, and the lighting it'll still do. So we are going to test it with the lighting and all that other stuff. I just don't need to do it right now because I don't have any lights on. Only in my 2-week cycle so far. I'm only 2 weeks into my cycle, so I don't need to know the lights right now, but I need to order them within the next two weeks because bulk reef supply takes a while. Or I can order from Marine Depot. Usually they're a little bit faster with shipping, a tiny bit. They're not amazing fast. Amazon is expensive to order bulbs off of, so I can't order bulbs from them. It's like $10 more per bulb if you order from Amazon, so forget about that. But anyway, so this is it right here. As you can see, the pH is red because the pH is too low, so everything's blinking. But it is on, it is working. That's what it's going to look like. And when your pH is low, that's what yours is going to look like. I just have the wire hanging out for now, and it runs up into the ceiling because I'm going to use this probably temporarily. I'm not going to use it forever. I'm just going to use it when I get my lights in, and then I'm going to use it for maybe another, just through my cycle for a couple months, because I already bought, a couple months worth of slides, so I'm going to use it. And yeah, I'm going to use it that way, and then hopefully that all works out fine. So, all right. So that's it for that. That's just an update on that, and what it looks like on the computer when you click on it. Pretty much is what this is going to look like. And you can change all the settings in here. Go to settings. You can change the temp. You can use Fahrenheit instead. Like I did, that's what I picked. The settings are all in here, so you can go to settings and change them if you want. Oh, I exited it out. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.